Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Another review video coming from my friends at Korginer from Amazon. Check them out. This is a 180 full face snorkel mask. I've got to add a few things to it and show you guys a few tricks. And you guys will get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. And this new model has new features. It has 2 floating balls to prevent leaks, and I'll show you that right about now. Satchel bag that comes with it. Really nice bag, waterproof, I believe. But here we go. Oh, 1 second, almost there. I wish it was warmer outside to enjoy it more, but soon it'll be summertime here. Here we go. Raise you guys up just enough so you guys can see. There we go. And right on top, we got those 2 balls right there. Those are the ones that prevent the leaks. If you guys can see it, there we go. Boom. Right up in there. Right, those 2. So when you put it on, you go underneath. You guys could get no leaks through. And also has inhale and exhale valves, which are also on the sides. I don't know if you guys can see. My phone's gonna die soon. Shoot. There we go. And also, the airtight seals were designed to fit the face, and silica gel. Odor free, even environmental friendly. Nice. So they are on the side where the silicone, where the gel is. I don't know if you guys can tell inside. Really nicely made right in there. I definitely wish I could test this outside. Go swimming. And also 180 degree field view. That's the front. Look at that. You can see everything. Boom. So this is a nice one right here. 180 degrees. You got the 2 protection leaks up here. The 2 balls. The vents on the side. What else do we have here? I think that's pretty much it. The 4-point high density elastic headband right here. Nicely made. Waterproof. Can be adjusted any head shape. Alright. So, like I said, YouTubers, check them out. The links will be down below. It's summertime now. Pick one of these up. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime. And be the first one on your scuba team to get one of these. Awesome. So like I said, there's a mask. There's this. 2 balls. And then 2 vents. And then that. Awesome. So, there you go, YouTubers. You guys have a good holiday weekend. Be safe. There are the balls. Water. Comes with the HD camera mount. We can hook up your GoPro. I think it comes in this one. Whoops. Clamps. Pretty simple to hook up. And then here's the mounting kits. The bracket. So here they are again. Boom. Snorkel, 180 degrees. Awesome stuff. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a great weekend, and see ya.